This is our Coleman folding camper pop-up trailer. Here is a short clip of the pop-up camper completely collapsed. The pop-up is only 12 feet long and 3,200 pounds. It can easily be towed by any SUV. You'll notice up front there's a single battery, a fold-down wheel to help you maneuver, and 2 propane tanks. There's also a little storage up front to help you store some supplies. So here's the unit, completely unpacked and opened up. It's around 18 feet in length once everything is pushed out and opened up. Please note, I did not strap everything down or secure the Velcro in place. All I did was roll out the 2 beds and secure the bars. Access to everything is located on the driver's side. First thing you notice is the hot water tank. Then there's a 15 amp plug if you have electricity at your campground. There is an outside shower, a fresh water fill, access to the fridge panels so you can turn on the fridge, and direct water pressure if you have this at your campsite. There's a spare tire on the rear, but hopefully you never need it. If you notice, this is a manual crank to raise and lower the pop-up. Alright, let's go inside and take a look around and see how much space this little thing has. First thing you'll notice is that I opened everything up so you can see how it would be if you were camping. This has a 3-burner gas propane stovetop, a regular RV sink. If you notice the bar behind the sink, this is how it collapses down to the floor when you're ready to tear down. There is a mini fridge on bottom that will run on propane and electric. This pop-up comes equipped with a stand-up shower and a toilet, so this is great if you have small children or you're really trying to rough it. There's a curtain that wraps around to give you a little bit of privacy and so you don't get everything wet. Located in the rear is the king-size bed. On the front side, you'll notice 3 additional beds, a bench that turns into a bed, a dinette table that folds down into a bed, Another unique thing about this pop-up is that it has an AC unit mounted into the front. It does require electricity to run. And here is the 3rd queen bed all the way up front. There are a couple of roof lights that run off the battery. I did not collapse the door into place. As you can see, it's currently mounted to the roof. One thing I love about this pop-up is all of the window space. And each window has zippers, so you can open them up and allow fresh air in, and or they all have curtains, so you can close them for privacy. So if you're ready to upgrade from tent camping, this little unit will get you off the ground. Not to mention a sink, toilet, shower, and AC. And this will conclude our video for the Coleman Popup Towable RV. Thanks for watching.